The schedule trigger enables you to run a workflow according to a set schedule. We get pretty granular with it, so I'll show you that in a bit when we create the workflow. But just some common use cases for a schedule trigger is if you have things like onboarding or offboarding employees, you might want to run this one time a week at the set time, so you pick up all new users from the past week and all users that have been removed from your system from the past week. You might want to run that off times like Sunday night at 9 p.m. Another good use case is if you are pulling threat intel feed and you want to run that every morning at a set time to have the fresh intel from the feed in your workflow. So let's just create a workflow and show you how it's done. So we'll call this schedule trigger. And here you can select a trigger. We'll do schedule, but also you can always change it once you're in the workflow. See? And to configure this, you just click on the trigger, and this is the frequency. Every day at a certain time. You can do every week, and then select the days of the week, one or more. If you do it on a monthly level, you can pick on which day of the month, or according to each, first, second, third, fourth of the month with day of the week, and finally by hour or minute. So let's go ahead here and select week, and we're going to do every Sunday at 9 p.m. And another neat feature of the schedule trigger is that you can select the time zone that it runs in. So this is helpful if you have multiple offices around the world and you want to run the same workflow at the local time. All you have to do is duplicate the workflow and change the time zone, and it'll run in the local time.